Hello, I am Subhradeep. I am from South Point High School, and I studied under the guidance of Prakash sir from class 11, and the experience has been great. The questions that sir taught us were very relevant, and I think that everybody should solve the questions properly. Each and every question has their own concepts in them. They are really unique questions, and the sir's way of solving them was also really unique. It taught us a lot of things, and I would also like to say to be consistent, as the journey is long. It's of 2 years, and it's not about one day. Everybody has to be consistent and do the practice carefully. They have to do it one by one, and they have to do the questions. And I think everybody should give their best, and they should everybody should try hard to achieve it. It's not about it's about giving your best. It's okay if you fail, but you should always give your best. You should never give up. And Prakash always taught us this, and that's all I want to say. Thank you.